Any person, whether an internal employee or an external contractor, who is assigned to perform maintenance in a facility should be trained on how to prevent and reduce risks of contamination when performing maintenance activities. This includes knowing general best practices, as well as the specific policies, procedures, and requirements of the facility. It is not enough to have a maintenance person who is just good at fixing things. These days, it is highly recommended that maintenance staff be well trained in various equipment repairs and that they are constantly evaluating equipment for improvement of the preventive maintenance program. Maintenance personnel should be aware of the different zones in the facility, the product contact surfaces in each zone, the risks to product in each zone, the cleanliness requirements in each zone, and any set protocols to prevent contamination. Maintenance procedures and instructions should include information relative to food safety that are emphasized during every training session. Maintenance employees should be aware that there is no value in repairing a system if food safety protocols are not followed, because an entire production run may have to be destroyed. All training of maintenance personnel should be documented and kept as a record.